Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Pentax k100d, a classic entry-level DSLR that was first introduced back in 2006. Design build quality. The Pentax k100d carries a solid and compact design. It has a traditional DSLR look with a sturdy plastic body and a comfortable hand grip. The camera feels durable in hand, weighing around 560 grams with battery, which gives it a reassuring heft without being too heavy. Sensor image quality. The k100d is a 6.1 megapixel APS-C CCD sensor. While that may sound small by today's standards, it was quite respectable at its time. The images are sharp, with good color reproduction, especially at lower ISO levels. Performance autofocus. The camera uses an 11-point Safox 8 autofocus system, which works decently for its age. It's not lightning fast, but accurate enough for portraits, landscapes, and general use. Continuous shooting is limited to about 2.8 frames per second, which means it's not really built for action or sports photography. Overall, the Pentax k100d may not compete with modern DSLRs or mirrorless cameras in terms of features, but as an affordable entry-level DSLR, it still has value today, especially for photography students or hobbyists who want to learn the basics of manual photography without breaking the bank. Thank you so much.